Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm your Pixel 9 has the latest update and the circle to search gesture turned on. Go to Settings, System, Gestures, and toggle Circle to search. This lets you draw on any screen. Once done, open the camera or the app where the content lives. You can also use screenshots. Now position the item you want to identify, then use your finger to draw a circle around the subject. You're ready to capture context for Google search. You'll draw a precise circle directly over the subject. Tighter circles produce more accurate matches. If it's a small object, pinch to zoom or pause video to steady the image before circling. After drawing, the system analyzes the selection and surfaces results and suggestions. Tap a suggestion to open details, or use Refine Selection to redraw if background noise confuses the result. Make sure to grant camera and screen permissions, so you'll complete the search by reviewing result cards, shopping links, knowledge panels, or visually similar images. If the first pass misses the object, try a different angle or redraw a tighter circle. Multiple attempts often improve accuracy. If Circle to Search doesn't trigger, make sure permissions are enabled, reboot the phone, and confirm the gesture is still on in settings. If problems persist, clear the Google App Cache or update the app, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.